This is another audio oscillator, which is a simple directly coupled transistor audio oscillator. It is a dual transistor oscillator, and one of the transistors is a it's an NPN transistor, and here is a PNP transistor. One is an NPN and another is a PNP transistor. Here the usual principle of oscillator is working here also. The input, the signal is fed back to the output signal from here is fed back to the input of this transistor. The output the uh, the output signal, audio signal, is fed back to the input of this transistor using this capacitor. So it's a audio generating oscillator. It produces frequency in the audio frequency range. The output is it's directly coupled to this speaker, and the output is taken from the collector of this transistor and the supply line. So we also have a variable resistor potentiometer that can change the frequency of oscillations. It can change the frequency of audio oscillations. So it produces oscillations or audio signal generation at the audio frequency range. The signal that is generated is heard through this loudspeaker, and here we can't control the volume of the audio. Whatever volume that is output that is got from the output is directly transferred to this loudspeaker. We can't adjust the volume. It is not directly connected to an audio amplifier, so it is directly the output is directly connected to the speaker. So we can't amplify the output. It is the output, and it is directly, because it's directly connected to the speaker. It has enough output output sound. So we'll just test this oscillator by switching on the power supply. So this is the sound. So this is the lowest sound. This is the highest frequency range. We can't adjust the audio because it's directly coupled. So this is the audio oscillator. It produces very loud audio sound, and it is mostly it can be used in alarms and buzzers and some audio indicator, audio alarming circuits, where it produces enough sound to um, get the attention of people. So it's a very good oscillator for use for for generating audio sounds. So this is a simple circuit. It's a dual transistor audio oscillator. It's a simple audio oscillator that you can simply construct. Thank you.